Patriot Motors in Sturgeon Bay. Frank Wood joins us today. Hey,
how we doing?
Employee pricing is still around? It's a thing?
Right now, but only for Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, guys. So Ford and Chrysler were the only ones doing employee pricing when all the tariffs came out. Ford has now, as of the 8th of July, completely stopped doing employee pricing. Okay. Now, other than that though, Ford is doing some other things I'm gonna cover in just a second that are still great. But for right now, with what we got behind us, let's talk about Rams, baby. Hey, so let me tell you guys, until the end of July, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, still doing employee pricing. Come take advantage of it, guys. I'm talking trucks like this, up to $8,000 to $10,000 off. Ooh. Way under invoice. I mean, you can't get better than an employee pricing. You just can't. And again, like I said, guys, it ends at the end of the month. Take advantage of it. You know, we got beautiful Ram 1500s. I got a Ram 2500. I have Grand Cherokees. I have Summit versions of Grand Cherokee. I have Jeep Compasses. I have a Wrangler. Guys, I have plenty of vehicles, but limited. And I don't mean the inventory, the pricing that they're coming at right now. Guys, I've watched a lot of people in the last 2 or 3 months since employee pricing came out for Ford and Chrysler. Sales have gone up across the nation because obviously they know pricing went up, but so did the discounts. They went down and they're taking advantage of it. You know, so speaking of, like I brought up with Ford, employee pricing's gone, but they're doing the summer sales event. What that means for you as a consumer is you get 2 years of oil changes covered, which Ford doesn't normally do. That's an awesome part. Another thing you get is they brought back 0% financing for a lot of their select models, up to 48 months and 90 days until first payment. Guys, we're talking waiting until after the summer to not even have to worry about a car payment, no money out of pocket. You're still getting a great price because you're buying it from Patriot Motors in Sturgeon Bay. And on top of that, they're still getting rebates anywhere up to $4,000 with the incentivized financing of 1.9 for 36, 0% for 48. Guys, there's still great deals out here. Take advantage of it.
2025's great inventory today. You're going to want to stop by then with employee pricing only until the end of the month, Frank. These are going to move fast.
They have been moving fast. That's why actually you're seeing a couple holes in my parking
That's all
lot.
right.
I apologize. I actually need to do a lot party is what we call it and corral the inventory and get it all looking fresh and clean again. So
it looks awesome.
Guys, we look forward to it. We want to take care of you. If there's anything the community ever needs, feel free to stop by, guys. Patriot Motors, Frank Wood, General Manager. I am here to help anytime. Ask for me. I'm here. I live here.
Patriot Motors,
Absolutely,
live with
guys.
Frank Wood. Let's go, Door County.